Welcome learner in our science class for 5th standard. Learner, in previous video we had learned about the forest product. We know that forest plays a vital role in our life, and for getting each and everything of our daily life we directly or indirectly depends upon forest. So to obtain these forest product or fulfill our daily needs, we cut large number of trees and destroy the forest, and this is called deforestation. So learner, today we will learn about deforestation. Deforestation means cutting or clearing of the forest, or we can say that when the forests are destroyed by cutting the trees and not replanting them. In a simple word, we can say that cutting of the large number of trees is called deforestation. Now question arises, why do we cut trees? Or what are the causes of the deforestation? There are two main causes, that are the natural causes and the human activities. Forest fire, flood, storm, earthquake, and plant diseases, that are the natural causes of the deforestation. Whereas mostly the forests are destroyed by the human activities like agriculture activities, urbanization, timber production and forest fire. These are some human activities that leads to the deforestation. Now we discuss these causes in detail. First is the agriculture activity. We know that we need the land for the agriculture activities like the growing of the crop, farming, etc. And the conversion of the forest into the agriculture land is a big reason for the deforestation. And learner, you know that over the 40% of the forest are cleaned to obtain the land and meet the needs of the agriculture practices and to get the wood. And next cause of the deforestation, that is the urbanization. Urbanization means the setting up of a city. It is the process in which the people migrate from rural area to the urban area. And as the population grow due to the expansion of the cities, it increases the needs of the people also, and which leads to the deforestation. People need the land to make the houses, industries, building, road, etc. So the increasing the population directly affect the expansion of cities, and which leads to the destruction of forest. In your city, the best example of the expansion of city is near the Chamunda temple. Once there was a very dense forest near the Chamunda temple, but now these days what we do, we are continuously cutting the trees and destroy the forest and making the buildings. That is the example of the expansion of cities or the urbanization that leads to the deforestation. And next cause of the deforestation, that is the timber production. One of the main cause of the deforestation is the production of timber. Learner, you know that timber is a kind of wood, and that is mainly used for making the furniture or for the construction work. And there is a lot of demand of the timber because it is a source of the raw material for various wood waste industries like the matchstick industries, furniture making industries, paper making industries, etc. So nowadays illegal logging activities are very common. Logging means we cut the trees and make the big logs by processing it and use it for the making the furniture or for construction work. So the large number of trees are cut down for all these purposes, and that leads to the deforestation. Next is the forest fire. Due to the forest fire, we lose the large number of trees each year in the various portion of the world, and this happened due to the extreme summer and the winter conditions, and the fire caused by the man or by the nature. As a result, there is a huge loss of the forest. So these are all about the causes of the deforestation. Now student, when we do any work, we have to face the result, and due to these human activity, we destroy the large area of the forest in our daily routine. So there are some side effects that we have to face. So now we will discuss the harmful effects of the deforestation. First, there is due to the deforestation, there is a decrease in the rainfall. It is very much clear to you. The trees help to bring the rainfall, and deforestation leads to the reduce the rainfall, because if there is no tree, then the amount of rainfall is also become less, and when the rainfall is less, the groundwater level is automatically decreases. So according to the study, when the forests are replaced by the pasture, the water cycle get affected, and which leads to the reduction in the humidity in the atmosphere, and which has the impact on the rainfall. So due to the deforestation, there is a decrease in rainfall and also decrease in the groundwater level. And the next effect of the deforestation, that is increase in the global warming. You know that carbon dioxide gas is the main greenhouse gas that is the main cause of the global warming, and only the trees are the absorber of the carbon dioxide. So when there is no tree, the level of the carbon dioxide is automatically increase in the atmosphere, and that increases or give rise to the global warming. So due to the deforestation, there is an increase in the global warming also. Then due to the deforestation, increase in soil erosion also, and the soil particles are held together by the roots of the trees, and when there is no trees, the soil get exposure and it becomes dry due to the heat of the sun, and there is the change in the structure of the soil particles, and when there is heavy rainfall, it is washed away with the rainwater, or when there is a storm, it is blown away with the wind, and deforestation leads to the soil erosion also. And next effect of the deforestation is an increase in the flood. Deforestation also leads to the floods. This is because the water holding capacity of the soil is dependent upon the number of trees. As the number of trees reduces, the soil structure is also changes, and when there is a heavy rainfall, water does not seep down into the ground, and it is not absorbed by the trees, hence it leads to the flooding. And last effect of the deforestation is the destruction of the habitat. We know that forest is a shelter for various wild animals, and it is the house of the various wild plant also. And when we destroy the forest due to the forest fire or for urbanization, the habitat of various wild animals also destroyed. So these are all about the harmful effects of the deforestation. And thank you. Have a nice day.